night shot of my backup camera. This is why it also makes a great security camera. I have it mounted up high so I could place it anywhere in my van. Alright, today's video, backup camera. Easiest install ever. This camera is also affordable. My channel is all about the affordable gear. So here we go. Here's the wiring, Wi-Fi antenna, and then you're gonna need to download this app, MRT camera. Get this off of a Google store, Google Play. Here's the camera. Put a magnet on it so I could move it wherever I want. I could even use this as a security camera when I'm sleeping in my van. I'll put a picture of where I ordered this magnet off of Amazon. Really good magnet. And then a wire splice kit. 12-volt plug. You could get a 12-volt plug at any auto store for around $10. I have a bunch of these. The wires are too skinny for the Scotch locks, so I'm just going to crimp the wires. It's good to have these if you're going to start doing basic electronics projects on your van. A wire stripper. So strip the wires on the camera and the 12-volt port. So I'm just going to crimp the wire together and use electric tape. The wires are crimped together, and then I'm just going to cover it with electric tape. Black, black, red, red. And then you don't have to use this yellow one. It even says right here, you may not connect this wire. So if you want to use this to be in conjunction with your backup lights, you're going to connect these to your lights. I want this to run all the time, and that's why I'm running this off of a 12-volt port. Here's my constant power source, 12-volt port. The battery's right there. That's my rear view mirror visibility. And here's the backup camera. So much better. This has an option for the backup lines, the little guide, but where I have the camera placed, see, it's not inside of the lines, so yeah, I'm not going to be using this option. I'm just going to turn it off. I'm in the lines. Here's where the camera's placed though. It's placed way up here. So where I have it placed, the lines are coming out really wide. So might work for you though. It's all on where you place the camera. The reason why I put it on a magnet is so that I could place this in different spots, so I could run it as a security camera. So right now I have it right here, so I could always pull it off since it is on a magnet. And here you go, I'll show you guys a picture right now. So see, so I could use it as a backup camera, and I could use it as a security camera. There's my van. And then when I tow, I could aim it straight down so I could get a good look at the tow hitch. So it's easier to hook up a trailer. So there you go, Wi-Fi camera. You could use it as a security camera, backup camera. And the Wi-Fi signal is built into the camera. Let me show you what the Wi-Fi signal is real quick. So, and then this is very good for like when I have my tracker behind my van, when I have my mini bike behind my van, I could keep an eye on them at all times. So here we go. Here's the setting for the Wi-Fi. It's this right here. MRT Wi-Fi camera. Right there. There's the signal. So the Wi-Fi signal is built into the camera. when you look at your app list, it's this app right here, MRT camera, and I have it placed behind my van again. There it is. Now it's a backup camera again. I have it placed up high so that I have a good view. Camera on the freeway. I like how I could constantly see what's behind me. Like I said, really important when I have my mini bike behind me, and when I tow my geo tracker behind me, I could keep an eye on them at all times. Here's my van. I left early today so I could film most of this. I still have an hour to go before I have to go to work. I'm just a blue collar guy running a small YouTube channel, no sponsors. I never solicit donations. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. Your support is greatly appreciated. Your support is all I need, and I'll do the rest. Have a great weekend, everyone.